What is up, guys, and welcome to my first ever video. Today I got a special package from the one and only Robinhood. I've been on the waiting list for about since 80,000. If we can check the app, I will show you guys. So this is what the app actually looks like. I'll put a screen recording of it. So you can see it shows you on top how much cash you have, how much power you have, the interest you have earned so far, and your credit card and when you receive it, and then everything you have done. So it's basically the app, that's all there is. I'm guessing what you purchased will be down here in recent activities. And then we have the credit card that I ordered, the debit card, and how much interest I've already earned. I just had this since they added me to the list. I had to wait about 2 weeks for the thing to come. But here we are today. Here we have it. This is the first time I see it. It says democratizing America's financial system. And on this side we have the debit card, and on the back there's nothing. It just says Robinhood. So we take out the card. It says activate your card in the app. It's very nice how they do this. And then here's the card. It does feel a little bit flimsy, I would say that. I've noticed. It's obviously my information. I'm not gonna show it, but it's sideways. And yeah, just sits like that. Very simple. This is very shiny. I thought this was gonna be a little bit more transparent. As you can see, it's kind of matte. We'll see how that handles over time. This is gonna scratch. And that's the whole unboxing of the card. We'll see how to activate this. How to activate this in the app. You click here, have you received your card? Yes. Activate your card. Then you enter your expiration. You set up a PIN. Confirm that PIN. Just like that, you can turn on location protection. So while using the app, and your card is activated. That was basically it. I can use this card now. They do a little confetti thing. I can transfer. That's basically the whole process of activating the card. Very simple, very nice. And of course the card is here finally. I've waited so long for this, but finally it's here. It's very nice how it opens. All right, thank you guys for watching.